Fun fact, I'm never going back to school. Been there, done that. They see my little 10-day tape in my dumb raps. Don't call it impossible if you really want that. It's in my summer school. Don't call it a comeback. I just came to beat the bullies out and get my lunch back. Channel E tequila. You know what that. I rap my songs in Spanish.
So first up, my hair's a mess. I know that. A lot of stress going on. A lot of sneaker buying, a lot of sneaker selling.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man.
Yo, what's up guys? This is Jordan. Hope y'all having a great day. Today I'm back at it with another sneaker video. This is actually episode 1 of sneaker reselling. As you can see, I got all my inventory, I guess, here. And we're going to go through some of the stuff. It's going to be a fun little series. I'm going to take you on the ride of me buying and reselling sneakers. It's going to be super fun, so hope you guys enjoy and stay tuned. Look at what we have so when we get on to the next episode, we can see how far we've come. So I guess we'll just start out with some of these sneakers. Here we have like PGs, some shadows, a bunch of cool stuff. Today, I actually caught a restock and was able to cop 4 pairs of the Flint 13s, brand new DS, all for retail. So that's $205 or $205 per pair, and then we'll put the profit margins. And we're able to get 4 of those, so that should be a good flip. Here we have some Royal Toes, Bloodlines, we got Belugas, some other good flips, Shadow 10s, a bunch of stuff. And if you guys like any of this stuff, they will all be up for sale on @KickedOutLV on Instagram. So this is sneaker reselling 1. So from here on, it's gonna cut to clips of me buying more shoes, selling shoes, and basically how far we can get through episode 1. Like I said, a bunch more stuff to come, so hope you guys enjoy this series, and yeah, let's get into the buying and selling clips. Alright, so day after yesterday, I'm scrolling through OfferUp and I found a pretty beat pair of Pure Money 4s. If I can, I'll pop up a picture, but these things were absolutely destroyed. But they are my size and they're only 20 bucks, so I decided to take a chance on them. And it paid off because today I was able to sell these Pure Money 4s right here that I paid 20 bucks for, $100 on Poshmark. So boom, that's $80 profit, and we gotta go ahead and ship these out. It took me a few hours to get the yellowing out of the soles, airbrush the nettings, replace the laces, and just try and repaint as much as I can of the uppers, and it actually came out pretty good. These are actually my size too, so I didn't really want to sell them, but I mean 80 bucks profit for like a few hours of work isn't bad at all. And look, these are hella clean. They look super clean. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and ship these out and get them to the post office. Alright guys, so we're back from the post office. Went ahead and got those Pure Money 4s shipped out. I did want them, but I'll come back and get them in the future. Anyway, while we were out there on that trip, we ended up copping some more shoes. And looks like I have another pair of Pure Money 4s to get rid of. And these are like called Son of Mars Tour Yellows. So I copped both these for 100 bucks. This guy wanted 80, but 20 bucks for these. I don't know, maybe I'll make something. So with the good shoes, you gotta buy some bad, like Cool Kick said. But these are actually pretty cool. They're Lakers colorway. Not in terrible condition, but maybe I could get 40, 35 bucks. So that's $15 profit once I sell them. But yeah, these are pretty cool. I had a pair of Spizikes in like elementary school. They do look like worn maybe once or twice. This guy just scuffed the hell out of them right there, and on the other pair too. So I'm not sure how I'll get that out, but I'll just leave it there for 35 bucks, not too bad. And here, another pair of Pure Money 4s. These are freaking fuego. Yeah, these are actually super nice. He didn't wear these too much either. The stars are still, for the most part, they're still all there. As you can see, a few are starting to come off. But yeah, for $100 for both these pairs, not bad at all. Not bad at all. And then on the size 8.5 pair, these were like completely gone. The shine was completely gone and it was just gray. But these have the silver / chrome Jumpman still completely intact. The eyelets are still great, nice and shiny. The only thing, I don't know why, bro, how the hell do you get the insoles that dirty? I mean, they're not too bad. They could be worse, of course, but like, damn. But anyways, hopefully I can make $15 on these and maybe another 100 or so on these. These are going to be posted up at Kicked Out LV. So if you guys want to go ahead and purchase them, if they're still available, by the time this video goes up, they will be there. But yeah, anyways, so those are the 2 new cops for the day, and let's see what else we got in store. Alright, so it's the same day as I sold the Pure Money 4s on Posh, and I ended up selling these like 5 minutes ago. These Air Jordan 1 AJKOs. These are pretty nice. I ended up scrubbing them down and it gave them that denim wash look, so I thought that was pretty cool, and I guess some other people dug it too, because I ended up selling these right now on Posh. It's 64 bucks back, and we can go ahead and add that to the profit counter. And so yeah, that's another pair that we were able to sell in this episode 1. So hopefully we can keep the ball rolling, and I'll keep you guys updated. Alright, so 9.5 flints here. Gonna go to Meetup right now. The guy who wants these is actually a pretty big reseller in Las Vegas. Yeah, we'll go ahead and see what happens. Check this out, check this out. Okay, hold on. Check this out. Check this out. Look at the flick of the wrist. Alright guys, so I'm back home. We have another potential meetup for a size 9.5. Another meetup for a pair of flints. So I'll keep you guys updated. I'm not 100% sure if he's gonna come, but if he does, that would be second pair of flints, and then I think that'd be my last 9.5. But yeah, go ahead and keep you guys updated, and hopefully we make a sale. Alright guys, we are back home. We made the sale. We sold it for $260, so not bad. I had them priced at like $280, but that was like overpriced. So I took $260 for the 9.5 and then sold another 9.5 for $250. So that was good. We'll have the counter of everything we made and what we bought in the video. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Really means a lot. Tons of more unboxings, tons of more sneakers, buying, selling, bunch of stuff. So thank you guys, and hopefully I'll see you next time.
Kyle, where you been? We need a side. Oh my bad, I was busy counting cash. It takes a minute when you suck at math. If I knew that I'd be rich, I would've took my ass to class, yeah. If you hear me say it, that's a fact.